Oh, there he is. Oh, good morning, Nico. Oh, yes, hello. Are you just so happy to see me? Yeah, there's nobody else in there. Nope. Come on.
Morning, people. First thing this morning, gotta go prepare a different building because the wheat we're cutting is like, what, 11%, 10%?
For what?
Moisture?
For the wheat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Super
Just really dry. Anyway, since it's so dry, we're gonna put it in a building, save our air bin space for anything that's gonna be wet because there's gonna be some wet. Long story short, we gotta go over there, got a cable, put some cables in, put some tubes in, etc.
You know where the other ladder is?
And go from there. Okay, people, when I say a quonset,
You're supposed to do this a long time ago.
I know I was supposed to do this a long time ago, but we kind of just took off running with it. This is what I say when I mean cabling a quonset.
You didn't time lapse.
We have to, I didn't time lapse it. I actually meant to time lapse. Oh, I can time lapse doing the tubes.
And I was redo. I've been yelling at him to time lapse it.
Yeah, you have. James, lying is a sin, bro. Lying is a sin. When I say cabling, this is what I mean. We got to put these cables up, tie them up through the floor, cable clamp them, and tighten them. All of them. There's ones on the back wall, and they come all along right there. It is the junkiest job about a quonset. And then when I say tube it, we put tubes all throughout the quonset and hang them on these cables that are strung out right here because there's a big old fan on the back there. No, these will not dry down grain like an aeration air bin, but it's just where it gets some airflow into this building to cool the grain down when it comes off the field. Like these days we're pulling grain off that's 100 degrees, the grain is, just because it's been getting beat by the sun. And then through the machine into the quonset, and it's hot, really hot. And it's a really good thing to cool them down. Just get some fresh air in there, blow the humidity out of it, whatever else. Really helps it store. So, pretty crazy. Crazy, jams? Crazy. Oh, ranch sunflower seeds.
Just try that one.
That's a new one. All right, Igor must have brought these out, because I know James didn't, because James isn't nice like that.
I don't go to town. I haven't been to town probably for like 3 weeks.
He's pressed. Sorry, James. Love you.
I know.
I know.
Who drives the black truck?
Me. But I didn't take it home last night. Who took it home last night?
And this hair's crap wasn't me. I'm a combine operator.
My truck.
Mm-hmm.
My truck is tarp.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Only one other person took a truck.
Who was the only other person?
Big boss man.
Oh, you better not say that.
Never mind. It's okay.
Edit that out.
Yeah, no kidding. Seriously, no joke. Love you, Dad. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, Boss Man is my dad. Which is actually Igor secretly.
Boss man's my dad.
Yeah, exactly. Which is actually Igor. Igor is my dad. That's actually. No.
Like it.
Huh?
Looks like it. You look exactly like it.
Why? Because I'm so tan, or
You just look exactly like it.
because we're both ugly, or?
I'm just gonna leave it there.
Shut up, James.
I like these. These are good. Go get you some.
Highs of 80.
Yeah,
For
I
like
hope-
the next 10 days.
As far as I can see. Okay, tubes are in. That's exactly what it looks like. And then the fan just blows through because they all have little holes in them and the fan pushes air through the grain. Cool, cool. It's ridiculous. Yeah, there was a massive windstorm that came through. It only lasted for like an hour though. Came through and just woke everybody up. Braden, me, James.
I'm sure Wade was up.
I'm sure Wade was up too. We were all up from about 12 to about 1:30 is the consensus because the wind was just howling. I was up in my house up top, down. I seriously was sitting there watching the wind and I was thinking to myself, well, I sure hope we have augers standing in the morning. James said he was about to go put the augers down.
I was up already.
That's how bad it was. So, next thing on the list, fuel. super easy to fuel these things in the morning. Next thing after fueling, Sierra's over there fueling hers up now, is fired up. Hello 8250, good to see you again, dude. All right, come on Pro 700, there you go. Holy crap. It's a hot one today, guys, and it's only frickin', it's noon? Oh my gosh, we are behind schedule today. James, I apologize in advance. I got your nice gloves in my combine. He might be looking for those for a while. Eventually he'll be like, he'll finally ask me, or we'll just be around and he'll be like, I can't find my gloves anywhere. And I'll be like, I know where they're at. I love those big hopper extensions on the side. Those are sweet looking. Time to grease. You guys want to go see what Swenson Harvest 25 looks like this year? 2025? All right. Let's go and give it to you. Okay, you guys are either in the middle of your montage or this is the end of the montage. One of the two. We're gonna go grab some trucks. This machine is fun to run. See, we'll eat some grain. Consistent 1,500 bushel an hour at least, which is pretty cool. Boy, it is a hot one today, guys. Let's keep that fire truck close. Hey guys, it's been a few hours since I checked in with you, but we've gotten down into the good spots of this field. Oh my goodness. Isn't that just something? Just 100 bushel, whole pass. Okay, so while we're just about to finish up this field, we've been cutting down really big valleys and hills. Let's talk about the grain quality out of a 2024 8250. So, we're 3/4 full. Let's check out this sample. For those of you that want to see it, I have this machine set on performance mode in automation. Yeah, that's clean. That is darn clean. I don't know a combine that can get it much cleaner than that, if at all. I mean, my gosh, there's not a single white cap in it. I mean, there is a couple. Very, very, very few white caps, I should say. Unbelievable. And I can set this machine to do a better job than that even. I can set this thing to best grain quality and it will do everything it possibly can to make an even better sample. I just have this thing set on performance to have the best of both worlds. The throughput with minimal losses along with the best sample you can get with all of those combined, with losses being your #1 first priority. Can't really see through my window there, but that is clean. You can't really see through my window there, but that's clean. I am too close. This auger is enormous coming up to this cart. That is just insane. You don't see a sample like that anywhere else. That's dang near a seed sample. Combines are doing an awesome job with this residue though, the plant material. Look how much material is coming through that. Look at that. They are chopping it up into powder. They are doing an awesome job as far as that goes. Really glad to see that. And we're leaving it pretty short. We're cutting her short at probably 4 or 5 inches. Probably 5 inches of stubble left. Just for residue management. We're sending it through the combines to chop it up into the powder. And it'll get into the ground faster is what I kind of believe in. And I know other farmers do too. I kind of believe if you cut it shorter, chop it up into finer pieces and then spread it across the ground, the organic matter will get into the ground faster. Yes, you'll catch less snow, but clearly this year shows snow does help, but it's the rain is what carries you through the year. I can't believe this stuff is running 12% moisture. This stuff is dead dry too. Dead dry. This might take the cake as the biggest wheat I've ever cut. It really is just unbelievable. When you're moving this many bushels, literally almost 2,000 bushels an hour with a Class 8 machine, you make trucks move. I can only imagine an AF11 and this kind of stuff. Oh, and this kind of crop. Oh my, just can't believe it. The Lord is just, I don't know what he's got in store for Swenson Farms. I don't know what his plan is for us, but I've never seen wheat crop like this.
He's got it going, leaving you a full pass, huh?
I plan it that way. Turning. There's James sitting in the truck. He's waiting. It won't be long and we'll get him loaded and on his way. Look at him on his phone. Jeez. Hard to find good help. It's not like I'm totally vlogging on a GoPro right now or anything. Amazing wheat crop. We are just praised and so thankful to the Lord that he is giving us this crop. We just got blessed by the Lord this year to have a crop like this. Don't ask me why, but he did. that you guys just saw me go through was literally 130 bushel an acre. It's time to check out the residue management on that 8250. That girl has got the, I don't know what kind of choppers in it. It's Case's, one of Case's bigger choppers. Residue management. Check this out. I don't think you can get much better than that. Can you? I mean, that is literally fine powder. There's nothing else to it. And now, since the wind is blowing pretty hard this way, it's kind of dying down now since it's the evening. Hallelujah, it's been blowing pretty hard today. Nonetheless, here's my 50-foot swath. The wind is helping me, but here's where my residue ends. Or sorry, not 50-foot, 45-foot swath. Here's about where it ends. You know, there's still a little bit of right here, but mostly like right there. So it is easily at least 3 feet out from my header swath, at least. I mean, that is impressive. Look at this wheat. Oh my goodness. I am so glad we're out here cutting it and getting it off the field and in the bin. Wheat in a field is very pretty, but the sight of stubble is even prettier. The farmers will understand that one.